Dr. Justin Grimes here from Apply to Graduate School. Excited to be at this wonderful Graduate School McNair Bootcamp here at TCU. Over the last few days, we've been going over a lot of different information, including how to apply to graduate school, funding for graduate school, things to say and do when you're meeting with a recruiter, as well as figuring out your personal statement, your story that you're going to be telling. A lot of different universities have been represented here today, and there's been a lot of great learning that's taking place, but more importantly, students are prepared to go forward with the next steps in their career. I'm truly excited about having this opportunity to support them on their journeys. Everything has been a part of the work that I do here at Apply to Graduate School, and I'm looking forward to continuing helping other students journey and go through their path of finding a graduate program.